If your garage door and motor were installed prior to there being permanent power to your home, then it was installed without the battery backup being connected. It's very simple to do, and I'll walk you through it. On the side of the motor is a black latch that opens up and gives you access to the backup battery. It simply pulls out of the little compartment. The black terminal is more than likely connected, and all you have to do is take the red terminal and connect it with the red wire. It slides back in to the compartment, and you're finished.